Sawadika. Hi everyone. Today let's make Hor Mok Pla, which is basically red curry custard with fish fillet inside. This recipe has been made easy and it is worth a try. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. You can also follow our work on YouTube and Facebook. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We have coconut cream, fish fillet. You can use any kind of fish fillet, but I'm using sea bass. Sliced cabbage, eggs, Thai basil leaves, palm sugar, chicken stock powder, red curry paste, and fish sauce. Let's make the custard filling by combining the ingredients. I made a video on how to make your own red curry paste from scratch, and that will be coming right after this one. When everything is well combined, you can then add your fish fillet. Slowly mix this in. In order to give this a taste test, you can place some onto a bowl and place it in the microwave for a few seconds. You can then adjust the taste to your own liking. Today, we will be using this aluminum container to fill in our hor mok, but traditionally people use banana leaves to do that, like this one. Let's fill this with our cabbage. And the filling. On a medium heat, we will be steaming this for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they are done. This is depending on the size of your container. For the garnish, I'm going to stir my rice flour and coconut cream together. I also need to heat this up later. The other option is to just use the thick part of the coconut cream by itself. We stir this well and then on low heat, we stir it again. This will only take a quick while as we just want them to combine. This is the consistency that we are looking for. It's been 25 minutes and this is what it's looking like. And now let's put our garnish. This makes a really good appetizer and it can also be eaten with plain rice. The kaffir lime leaves and Thai basil leaves are really aromatic and I suggest you to give this recipe a try. Cover this for another 3 minutes. And this is the final product of our Hor Mok Pla. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye!